In our first module on platforms, we will begin by developing an understanding of how platform-based business models have evolved due to the fact that we have changed as customers, employees, and investors. We'll describe the characteristics and structures and strategies of platform organizations. We will provide a number of examples of both incumbents as well as startup organizations and explain why existing organizations find it challenging to transform their product and service-based businesses to platform, network, and AI organizations. We will also include the economics as a key part of the value proposition, showing you the justification for your leadership team and a board about why transformation to these new business models focused on us is required. We'll finally discuss how data and artificial intelligence has become essential components to the platform business model and what this means for organizations like you as you seek to adopt one. Module 2 will address machines and artificial intelligence. This segment will show what AI is and what it does not mean and what it does not do. AI is not just one thing or one technology, but it is many, each with their own applications, stage of development strengths, weaknesses, and limitations. Some, like robotic process automation, are relatively easy to implement, even for non-IT people like me, and provide rapid ROI. Others, like deep learning neural networks, are much more complex and cutting edge and require high levels of expertise. AI-driven organizations typically want to explore a wide variety of technologies, and leaders and boards are necessary to buy in to ensure that their breadth and depth are applied throughout the organization for success. We'll also cover the 7 primary steps that all leaders need to consider as they become AI-driven organizations. Finally, in this segment, we'll describe the different types of AI technologies and discuss how they are used in platform business models. In Module 3, we will dive into data, a topic so important that some are calling it the new oil, meaning that data is driving and energizing businesses in the AI world. The leaders of AI and platform-driven organizations know that data is their most important asset. Where it used to be money and things, it's now the quality of data that is necessary to support artificial intelligence, especially as you and I begin to generate reams of it. Today, as organizations are shifting from tangible physical assets into intangibles, new data sources are a key part of the equation. This requires alternative data sources that move beyond the standard financial metrics that most companies focus on and report every day. To successfully use data and AI in a differentiated way, companies must create a unique approach and identify the right sources of data, both internally and externally. For external data and alternative data to support the approach to create value is once again being originated by you and I as manufacturers of that data. And although machine learning and artificial intelligence seems complicated, the difficult part is actually finding, cleansing, and using these new data sets. In other words, AI-driven leaders need to start now and understand the sources of energy, which is data, in today's AI world. Lastly, we'll move to Module 4. We will take a look at the changing strategies, cultures, and structures through a 5-step process and approach we call PIVOT, which stands for Pinpoint, Inventory, Validate, Organize, and Transform. Specifically, we'll cover each of these components, starting with Pinpoint, which identifies the gap between likely your organization's business model and today's most valuable platform AI and driven businesses. We will help you inventory your company's intangible assets, including customer data, employee sentiment and engagement, product insights, manufacturing available knowledge sets, and building a business case for the validation of your new transform organization to your board and leadership team. We'll then help you think about organizing a small team to make your transformation real. And finally, we'll help you think about the KPIs, the reporting instruments that's going to measure your progress and your performance. In conclusion, we will include with a capstone case, using each student's organization as a case study to be prepared by them as a means to show you and your team how you can become a platform AI and data-driven organization, and in that case, become the great firm that you want to be. So let's get started, have a great time, learn a lot, and enjoy the journey.